Hey, welcome back to another video. We're in Albany today and we're doing a bit of visit around Frenchman's Bay Tourist or National Park. It's down at the whaling station here. We're going to go in and check all this out. Some other places as well, salmon holes as well. There's a few things I want to check out today, but we're going to start off here at the historic whale facility and check all that out. I've got Jack with me. He's going to have a bit of a fun day, go and suss out and learn some history about the whales here in WA and see some more of this beautiful coastline. I'm not sure if you can see it. That water is crystal clear blue out there. It's a massive big harbour here in Albany and yeah, pretty amazing. So stay with us. We're going to go get some history into us and then suss it out and then see if we can't go get some photos of some trick stuff and some video and whatever else we can do today. Right, let's hit that intro. Lovely day today, beautiful, balmy 24 degrees, down to the whaling station. Big old boat in the harbour, white sandy beaches. How cool is that? See that crystal clear blue water. And the shell room here, first stop, shelves, on shelves on shelves.
Are we still staying in here?
For a little bit, buddy.
Oh.
Some shells, some coral, and some more shells. So they're the old oil tankers from the whales. And then we're going to go and check out this old whaling boat, Shane's farm. Yeah. How much oil those tankers would have held? That's a lot of whale oil.
What are the boat doing? A boat in the river.
Very cool. Here it is, big old whaling boat. Very cool. And then out, view out of this beautiful harbour. Look at that water. The stand of the boat. Nice little beach right there. How cool is that? And there's the main shop and everything. There's some people swimming over there on that beach. Little boat ramp as well. Yes, here's the big whaling gun, so you can see it's got loaded one of the harpoons with a tip on it. It's a pretty big bit of gear to be shooting inside an animal. Insane, poor old things. You can see more of the whale harpoons down there. Now there's tips on it. Screw those tips on them so they stay in the whale. Very crazy. Let's get closer there, I guess. The sun's not too bad, but the shadow. There, so you can screw on the tips. There, that's a little screw on the tip. And that's the rope. 875 kilo braking strain for a 40-ton whale. Up to the captain's deck. How cool is this? It's Captain Jack. Captain Jack.
Let's go down there and catch a whale.
Yeah, on the top deck. A little view. There's those oil tankers. They store all the oil. Whales. Beautiful Albany harbour. So that's the entrance to the harbour out here. I'll try. Very cool. Gorgeous day. Very nice. Okay, we're inside one of the old tanks they've refastened to a bit of a wick out. It's a bit hot in here, a bit stifling. So this used to have a heap of full of whale oil. 1978 was the last time when whaling finished in Australia, and it was here. Just got too expensive and too much trouble. See how can't see right down, but Goes all the way down. And then a bit of a viewing platform out here. And yet again, that beautiful harbour. Very, very cool. Here are all the seagulls over on that island. Here's a nice clean version of how they look. They have explosives in them too, so that one's been well maintained. This was pretty cool, I thought. So you can see here that that's a used harpoon that's been bent after it's hit a whale. That's insane because that is solid steel. Wow. So the sperm whale, a skeleton, how cool is that? Well, not cool. Poor old thing. Didn't know they had big teeth like that. 11 metres, 37 feet. This is one of the last ones done in 78. Good to see the size. It's a shame to see them pass away. Poor things. Massive. Massive. Look at all the blubber and everything over the top of that, so that's huge. What a spine. Look at this one, pygmy blue whale. Wow, 22 metres, 72 feet. Holy bundi. Beached in Albany Harbour, 1973. Average length, 23 metres, so this is below average. 82 tonne. That's the length of the shed. That's insane. Look at all the flickers of the fingers. Massive jawbones. A little humpback whale. It's only 9.5 metres, normally 15. And we go to 40 tonne. It's pretty cool. There's a couple of little whales. Dolphins. You can see the similarity. Oh, the dolphin passed away. Oh, blubber. Anyway, that's the whaling station. Very cool. Yeah, probably a sad place for a lot of reasons, but hey, interesting to see the history. We're going to move on and go and see some other places around the national park here. Get a bit of tucker, and then we'll see you at the next stop. Okay?
You're a lonely sailor, and your soul is made of wind and rain, doubts and blame. I'm a weary pirate, and my heart is made of dust and grain and spoiled champagne. I've got troubles, I've got sins, I'm my worst enemy, but I've still got a lot to give. So I said, hey, don't you wanna come and run away with me? Hey, won't you come, and say by chance, don't you want me, a man who fully understands a sailor's heart, a sailor's heart. You're a born survivor, and you'll never find yourself in love. You're wise enough. I got troubles, I got sins, I'm my worst enemy, but I still got a lot to give. So I said, hey, don't you wanna come and run away with me? Hey, won't you come, and say by chance, don't you want me, a man who fully understands a sailor's heart, a sailor's heart. So I said, hey, don't you wanna come and run away with me? Hey, won't you come, and say by chance, don't you want me?
The wildlife park, part of Down near the whaling station. Here are little birdies. 27 species of wildlife apparently. I'm not sure what they are, but we're going to go check it out. While we're here, quick little gander. Big wombat, Bobby, I think his name is.
His dinner upside down. That's pretty tricky, isn't it?
I can't see them.
It's a curlew, bushstone curlew. These are hop hops.
Oh, the wedding.
Some albino ones over here.
Oh, look at
The shade. Albino kangaroos, they're pretty cool.
Horse eating their dinner.
Very nice. Kangaroos. Come down to the whaling and you can see some wildlife as well. How cool is that? Anyway, so that's us, the Albany Whaling Centre and the wildlife, and yeah, very cool. We've done and dusted here. Going to go check out the blowholes. Hi, Dale. See you soon.